Hello, Carol.
Hello.
Mm, what do you what do you like about this fellowship?
I like all the sessions that we've been going through so far, but my favorite part has been all the activities we've been doing, especially in our leadership session we did a week ago.
Okay.
That's probably what I like the most.
Okay. What do you like this digital session?
Yes, it's actually really fun. We've never done it before as well, so to me it's new and it's actually a really good tool that we all as journalists should know and learn how to use.
Okay, and then it's quite long here to do this fellowship in Melbourne. Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much. I really miss my son. A really good tool. It's been a while. I've never been away. Journalists should know and learn how to use.
And how do you communicate with? It's quite long here to do this fellowship in Melbourne. Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much.
And
I really miss my son.
do he miss you back
It's
or
been a
not?
while. I've never been away. Every time I ask him if he misses me, he'd be like,
And how do you communicate with him? Okay, so sad.
yeah, very sad. That's what I've been doing.
Thank you, Carol.
You're welcome.
And do he miss you back or not?
Well, every time I ask him if he misses me, he'd be like, no, I don't miss him.
Okay, so sad.